reciprocality with nature. And before we can ask anything of it, we need to understand how it works, and we need to look at the people that have had the knowledge. So all of our ancestors got here because they knew how to feed themselves, and so we need to start with looking at that and being able to tap into that. We also need to look at the Aboriginal knowledge that is still alive, that's extremely valuable right now, and it's something that we cannot take, but we could open up and try to learn from, because we've already taken so much. And then the other thing is we need to look at regional and local knowledge, and there is permaculture practitioners and stewards of the land in every part of the world, and we need to understand how these guys are relating to it before I ask you to just copy anything that I'm saying. You need to find how it works in your region. I really want to be able to push out there the teachers that I have had the privilege of learning from, the privilege of standing on the shoulders from, to start with a few of them: Bill Mollison, Geoff Lawton, Fukuoka, Ernst Grolsch. These are all people that are reestablishing their connection with nature and have been able to document it and share it with us, and it gives us a place to start from. So those are like the people that are looking at it from a bigger view, and that could help us at least get on the right page, because we have to be on the right page before we are actually able to read anything. So that's kind of where we got to start, and I want to invite you guys to take action. But before you take physical action, if you're just getting started, you need to dive in deep and learn as much as you can, so your time and your effort is effective, because there's a huge learning curve in all of this, and it's only going to come from experience. So get as much experience you can from the people that have been dedicating their whole lives to it, and start on the right foot. Understand that everything that has lived can live again, and we have to put it into cycles, and the soil is what cycles everything. And the more life and death that we can create in one space, the more life carrying capacity that soil can provide for us. It takes a long time to make soil in nature, but if we understand the different ways that it's created, then we can do it much faster, because we're smart little monkeys.